Aloha, and welcome to Rooted First. This series features local businesses across Hawaii that are about more than just making a profit. They're rooted in respect for the land, for culture, and for community. And first, this series is starting off right here in my hometown of Lahaina with Fabio from We Paddle Maui.
Aloha, good morning. We're right here on Front Street where this is home for us. We over here right now at the Lindsay's Ohana, Ekolo Lindsay, my Hanai brother, where from day one took me under the wings and make these art playground. I personally been here since 2000. And over here, it's where I learned how to paddle canoe and fall in love with the culture and everything. I used to live right across the street from him, so that's how we became surf partners and good friends. And our business later on became our passion, transforming that into like our business, family business, which was right down the road at 505. We partnered up our canoe business with Paddle Maui, with Goofy Foot Surf School. But this is where everything starts. How the business started, the idea was to create funds to finance Polanui project. That was the first idea. Ekolo create these non-profit that take care of the reef. So the idea was to create cultural canoe tours to the visitors and finance the project. That was the idea. A percentage of that, profit would go back to the Polanui, which is a non-profit that take care of the reef over here. And still very active. Polanui is an organization that brings different organizations from around the state to use this area as an example for the state of Hawaii as far as reef preservation and ecosystem. I see the monk seal coming, so this is like what didn't change, like the fire will not change the aloha from our people, but also the ecosystem, this area over here. We show the reef is still alive, and we see our friends over here still around, the Honus, monk seal. He was here before the fire and is still here.
One-man crew.
Hey, you know what, bro? This is being my life too, bro. I was just talking to this guy. He used to take pictures for my surf school after the fire.
Oh, that guy?
He's like, yeah, I give a job, bro. You need to make money. And I wanted to learn because after he quit already. He started working again. He's like, yeah, I can't do it anymore. I was like, well, you got to teach me. So I'm the guy to answer the phone, call the hotels, fix the canoes, push the canoe, paddle, take pictures, like one-man operation. Eh?
Why are canoes or va'as, paddling itself, so important to Hawaiian culture?
Well, if it wasn't for the va'a, none of us would be here, right? That's how Polynesian discovered Hawaii. So keeping the culture alive, you got to look the past, what the ancestors did. I personally am in love with the Hawaiian culture because I'm from Brazil. And in Brazil, we have our own culture as well. And as a capoeira instructor, which is a native Brazilian martial art, I found my way to keep my culture alive no matter where I go. And since I moved to Hawaii, that helped me to fall in love with. Sorry.
Very good. I can tell this means a lot to you.
It does. It's my life. I've been in Lahaina for 25 years. So this place changed my life, but also what made me stay was the love with the culture. When I connect with people, my friends, my family, my Hanai family, they make me understand how important it is to understand the roots, where you're coming from, but also what we are and what we do to not just represent the culture, but to keep it alive. My contribution with the Hawaiian culture is keep the canoes on the water and help the kids understand this is where everything starts. Sharing this culture with the tourists, with the visitors, really important.
Yeah, I think it also brings that level of care to the tourists, and it helps attract almost like the right kind of people, the people that want to help us protect this place, because now they're educated, now they actually have some kind of connection to this place where they also want to protect it. And I feel a lot of times the tourism dollars make so many of the decisions that, oh, we should build a hotel here because more tourists can stay here. But if more of those tourists knew what that new hotel might do to the shoreline or whatever, they might actually be against it because they want to protect also the beauty and the culture of this place.
And that was one of the things that we can contribute teaching visitors, how important preserve the reef. It's awesome. Create memories, it's awesome. Educate the tourists and the visitor, it's also, but also create memories with all this together. They come in with one expectation, to see turtles, to see hornets and whales out there. But when they leave, they create this memory, but also they leave with a lot of things that we're trying to teach them. Things like a little bit of the history about our place and how everything starts. Not just the name of the island, things that they don't know, but things that are gonna make them remember what we do here. It's beyond just educate them, but give them the feeling of respect nature and respect people from this place.
The way your business model operates is a way to exactly do that, right? Because you're stimulating the economy, you're hiring local, you're teaching the culture, you're educating visitors. It's like that new kind of ecotourism model that we're trying to push more of. Businesses not only, you know, serve the tourism and stuff, but also give back and make it less extractive. But actually really is a positive impact here in Hawaii and for the people visiting as well.
It was never about the money. We couldn't ask for a better call. It became a kuleana, it became a purpose, it became something that we have to do. It was never a choice like, oh, we're not gonna make money, stop doing this, let's go back to the hotel. No, it was something that we have to do, and we're still doing nowadays. We can stop, it can be destroyed, but we're gonna rebuild, we're gonna bring it together, because there's no way to destroy feeling. There's no way that love can burn. It can burn Canoe, but the love is gonna make another one. We can burn a business, a location, like we lost a location, but we can build another one. But what the fire can never destroy is the love, the passion, and the purpose. We lost the business, but now we're bringing everything back. So we have a new location, we have new canoes, we have new people, but the feeling is the same, to keep it alive. So it might take us some time to rebuild this, but nothing's gonna stop us. You know, we're not gonna stop to do what we love, because it's a kuleana, it's a purpose, man.
Mahalo for watching. If you want to experience what Fabio is all about, you can book a tour with We Paddle Maui through our partners at hawaiiactivities.com. The link's in the description. Aloha.